because it's clear now that you're thinking differently. The original design and manufacture process was a traditional one. Now that you've got the printers, is the first thought, how do we print this?
Our starting point now is, can we print it?
Yeah.
And if we can't print it, why can't we print it?
And how do we fix it?
And how do we fix that? We accept that there are some things that you can't print.
Yeah.
But our starting point really is, okay, what could we do to actually be able to print this, and then test and perform, test the performance of that in the machine.
Yeah. And have there been any unexpected benefits, some byproducts that you thought, well, I never thought that would happen to us, but it's great news that it has? Is there anything? I know that your stock levels can be a lot lower, so you've got more cash in the business to do all sorts of things with. But is there anything else that's been a byproduct?
I think the main benefit really has been the speed at which we've been able to deal with R&D. So we just redesigned our Airac blast dryer, and I think I was explaining to you that 75% of the parts in that are 3D printed. What would have taken us probably 18 months, 2 years to develop, we did inside 6 months.
Oh, well done.
Because it's that speed of being able to prototype. Yeah. The other thing as well is that obviously R&D is claimable, and so there are elements of what you're doing in R&D that you can claim, and especially all of the prototyping stuff where you're not using it as production stock. So that's a nice added benefit. So the investment again isn't necessarily just what you're spending on the equipment and the material, because you can claim back some of it through your R&D process. No, there's very few negatives.
That's good. That's nice to hear.
Most of it is positive.
That's good. Thank you. That's nice to hear. Thank you.